Given an expanded logarithmic expression, we need to write this as a single log. Basically, we're going backwards, but we're still using our basic log or natural log properties. We have subtraction in the middle, so we can write this whole thing as a single log as log of a fraction. So this would be log of 7x plus 6 over x. Note there's no base here. If you don't see a base, it's always understood to be base 10. This example, we need to express it also as a single log. So again, we're going backwards, or a single natural log in this case. Using the power rule backwards, we take the exponent, or take the number, and write it back as an exponent. So we have natural log x squared plus, and do the same thing with the 1/4. That will give us natural log of x plus 5 to the 1/4 power. Still, we can simplify this or write this back in radical form. So we have natural log of the 4th root of x plus 5 Now, what sign do we have in the middle? Right, we have a plus sign, so according to our natural log property, we can write this whole thing as a single multiplication. So we have natural log of, in parentheses, x squared times the 4th root of x plus 5 and we cannot go any further. We've actually expressed it as one single natural log. Let's look at a more complicated expression. We have this expression and we need to condense it into one single log expression. Well, the first thing we can do is, again, take the 1/4 and put it back as an exponent. So that will give us log base b of x to the 1/4. And we'll go ahead and write that in radical form. So we have log base b of the 4th root of x. Now to condense the second part, or the last two parts of this problem, the first step is to take out a negative, or factor out a negative sign. So we have negative 2 log b of 5 plus 10 log b, base b of y. Like we did before, take each number that's in front and change them to exponents. So we have log base b 4th root of x, just bring that down. Over here we have minus log base b of 5 squared plus log base b of y to the 10th power. Of course, 5 squared, we can make that 25. And just bring down the last part. And we'll keep bringing down the first part here, that log base b of the 4th root of x. Now, this plus sign tells us we can write this part as a single multiplication expression. So we have log base b of 25 y to the 10th power. And again, we can bring down the first part. Now, one more step. Since we have a minus sign in the middle, according to our log property,